Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Thomas with Club and Resort Business, and summer is here. It's patio season. We've got a box from Broken Top Candle Company. Broken Top Candle Company. I believe that's what it is. Broken Top. Let's just call it Broken Top. Broken Top is going to take care of the bugs, the stinging insects that come with summertime. Summer's got all kinds of perks, right? One of the negatives is bugs. Ugh. And they're all over the patio. Keep your members and guests free from those bugs with what we got here from Broken Top. I'll tell you a little something about this. Lemon citronella stuff across the board. Here is the lemon citronella soy candle, 50-hour burn time, gluten-free and vegan. I don't think that means you eat it. It smells like citronella. Here, all right. What do you think? Great, right? Citronella is give you like a I guess it's a fresh lemon smell combined with a tart citrus. Sounds like I'm trying to build up something to drink. I'm not. And again, it's vegan and gluten-free, but don't eat it. Just smell it, okay? They also have a repellent spray. There you go. Look at that thing. Spray outdoor furniture. Don't spray it on your body. It's free of parabens and phthalates, I think it's pronounced. It is skin safe, so you spray it on the furniture and you're wearing shorts, it's not going to bother you, right? It's not going to give you a rash. But just don't spray it directly on your skin. You want something on your skin, how about this? That's the repellent stick. Again, fresh citronella. Lemony. Good stuff, right? Wrists, elbows, neck, back of your knees, any pulse points you have. That's where you're going to want that. It's going to keep the bugs away. Last but certainly not least, in this box, we have incense cones. Little package right there, package inside a package, and a box of matches, Broken Top matches. Very cool, right? These right here, you, a little pointy, right? You set it like that, like the pointy part, let it burn for 20 seconds, then blow it out. That's to keep the bugs away. A little incense. You don't know how incense works. I shouldn't even have to explain it to you, right? But there you go. Learn more at BrokenTopCandleCompany.com. BrokenTopCandleCo.com. Don't spell it company. BrokenTopCandleCo.com. Before you go to BrokenTopCandlesCo.com, do me a favor, hit the like button below and subscribe, and we'll let you know other items, whether it's something for the patio, something for the golf shop, something for the food and beverage side, whatever. Take care, stay well, and have a great day.